Is your fridge smelling less than fresh? Don't worry, here's an easy fix. First, mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda with a cup of warm water in a bowl. Wipe down the inside of your fridge with this solution to remove odor-causing residue. You can also put this solution in a spray bottle to use or keep for future use. Next, cut a lemon in half and place it inside your fridge. The lemon absorbs odors and leaves a fresh scent. Amazing! No chemicals, no sprays, just a clean, fresh fridge.